Nothing. You have already known about time. You see your elders seeing the clock or seeing the watch to say time. You are going to learn that today. Next, after this class, you should be able to say time. So, this is just a small model of a clock. So, what you see in this clock, you can see numbers written on it, and you can see 2 sticks. These sticks are called hands of the clock. How we have hands here? Like that. Even for clock, you have 2 hands. And if you see this, one hand is small, one hand is big. So for clock, you have 2 hands. In that, one is small hand and one is big hand. How many hands clock has? 2 hands. One is small hand, one more is big hand. Okay. Now, how many numbers you have in the clock? You have from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have 12 numbers in the clock. So, this is about clock. So, let us come see how to say time using a clock. So, you can see numbers 1 to 12. Any number which the small hand is pointing out, this will be the hours. So, it is 2 hours. What is the small hand showing? It is showing 2 hours. If the small hand is showing different number. Now, don't concentrate on the big hand. Now, let us see only about the small hand. Okay. Small hand is showing which hour? It is 8 hours, 10 hours, 7 hours, 12 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. So, whichever number the small hand shows, I will just say that number along with the hours. So, this small hand has a name called hour hand, because it shows the hours. So, the small hand is called hour hand. What about the big hand? Example, if big hand is showing 3, you don't say it as 3. You all know 5 ones are, no children? You will say 5 ones are. How? See now. What is 5 ones are? 5. So, write 5 where you see 1. 2 is 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. But always my time starts from this. So, this is also equal to 0. When you are starting, you start from here. Say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is nothing but 0. Similarly, you start with 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 is again nothing but 0. So, my big hand will not say the numbers here inside the clock. But you should say the numbers outside the clock here. In normal clock, can you see 5 other tables in this clock? No. So, children, whenever you see a big hand showing any number, you should not say that number. You should say 5 ones are table. Example, big hand is showing 5. So, what is 5 5s are? 25. So, big hand is showing 25 minutes. What is that? It is minutes. 25 minutes. Now, say me. My big hand is showing 8. What is 8 5s are? 5 8s are 40. So, it is showing me 40 minutes. It is showing me 11 now. 5 11s is 55. You see here it is 55 minutes. 5 10s is 50. So it is showing 50 minutes. So how much is this showing here? 15 minutes. So my big hand has a name called minute hand. So small hand is called hour hand because it shows the hours. Big hand is called minute hand because it shows the minutes. Okay children, now let me see. See here, both my hands will start from 12 only. Okay, both the hands will start from 12. By the time it both starts from 12 and it will start going around. My big hand is very fast. It will go fast and finish one round like this. It will go fast, finish one round and come back to 12. By the time my big hand finished one round, my small hand is very slow. It will just go from one number to other like this. So I show you once again. If this is the clock, both will start from 12. My big hand is very fast. It will finish one full round and come back. But my small hand is very slow. The time the big hand completes one round, my small hand will come from 12 to 1. This is 0 to 1. That's it. Okay. So, it is showing 1 and this is showing 12. So, when it is showing 12, you should not say 0 minutes or 60 minutes. It has a special name called o'clock. What it is called? O'clock. So, whenever my big hand is showing 12, I will say o'clock. So, what is the time now? It is first the small hand 1, next the big hand. 12 means o'clock. So, it is 1 o'clock. Now, it is 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Is it clear children? So whenever the big hand is showing 12, it is o'clock. So now we have learned about the time. So now can we go for the exercise children? All of you take your textbook, page number 115, lesson number 5, time. So I will be writing only the answers on the board for you. Write the time shown by the clock. If you see the first one, what is the short hand, small hand showing? It is 3. So you should write 3 in the blank. What is the long hand showing? 12. So you should write 12 here. What is the time here? 3 o'clock. Okay, this is how you write the answer. So I write only the answers for you. First one, the first dash you will write 3, second dash you will write 12 and the third dash you will write 3. I will write it in bigger children for you. First one, first dash 3, second dash 12, third dash 3. This is the first one. Now let's go for the second one. What is the short hand showing? Short hand is showing 6. My long hand is showing 12. So what is the time now? It is 6 o'clock. You write only 6 in the dash. And other two I want you to write it. Now let's go for next page, page number 116. You are going to match the following. So to do the second mean, you should know the days in 1 week. In 1 week, how many days you have? 7 days. So which is the first day children of the week? Monday. Monday. So first is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So 7 days. If you know this, we can do the master following very easily now. So in the first question you have first day of the week. Which is the first day of the week? It is Monday. So where you can see Monday, you should write 1 in the bracket like this. So where you see Monday, write 1. Next, last day of the week. Which is the last day of the week? It is Sunday. So where you see Sunday, you will write 2 in the bracket. Friday comes before which day is Friday? Before which day Friday comes? It is Saturday. Before Saturday you get Friday. So Saturday. Where you have Saturday, write 3. Next, second day of the week. Which is the second day after Monday? It is Tuesday. So where you see Tuesday, write 4. So where you see Tuesday, write 4. Next one, Thursday comes after. After which day is Thursday coming? After Wednesday. After Wednesday is Thursday. Right, children? So where you see Wednesday, write 5. So we finished the exercise. Now next exercise also is related to clock. So you can see the small and big hand showing the numbers. Small hand is showing 7. So it is 7. What is big hand showing? 6. So what you should do? Say 5 ones are. 5 6 are 30. So you should write 30 here. In between these two you should keep 2 dots. This is how you write the numbers. I show you on the board now. Copy the answer, children. First one, the small hand is showing 7. Keep 2 dots. The big hand is showing 6. That is 6 5s are 30. This is the answer for the first one. Second one. So second one, my answer is 3. My small hand is showing 3 and then again my big hand is showing 6. That is 30. 330. Other two you will write it. It is very easy. You can try it, children. Now go for the second main here. In the second main, you should draw the hands for the clock. You should draw the small hand and the big hand. So I will draw it here. I will show only the hands and the numbers pointing it. First one is 430. So 4 is the first one. You should draw the small hand to 4. Small hand to 4. And 30 means 6. So big hand you should draw for 6. This is 430. Now come for the second one. 1130. So small hand should show 11. And my big hand should show 6. This is 1130. Can you draw the next 3 for yourself? Yes, try it, children. Next we go for months of a year. You all know in 1 year how many months you have? Just count here. This is a calendar which shows the 1 years. Okay. So you can see how many months in this? You have 12 months. So what are the 12 months shown here is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So this is the 12 months which is in 1 year. So totally in 1 year you have 12 months. Okay. In 1 month how many days you have? You can see January is having 31 days. February is having how many days here? 29 days. And similarly March is having 31 days. April is having 30 days. So each month you have different number of days. So let me show you how you should remember how many days in each month you have. So you should keep your fist like this. Okay, you should start counting from here. If you touch this bone, it means you have 31 days. See, this is 31 days. All the bones here are 31 days. And in between this, you have something, a slope here. If you touch this, it means 30 days. Okay, so start saying one month. January from here. So it has 31 days. Next, February. February is a special month, children. It will not have 30 or 31 days. It will have 28 or 29 days. This is very special. It is only for February. So February will have the second one. February will have 28 or 29 days. Next, after February, March. March is touching the bone. So it is 31 days. Next, April. April is not touching the bone. So it is 30 days. May. May is touching the bone. So it is 31 days. June. June is not touching the bone. So it is 30 days. July. July is touching the bone. 31 days. Next you start in this hand. After July, August. August is touching the bone again. So it is 31 days. September 30. November 31. December again it is 30. August, September, October, November, December. So August 31. September 30. October 31. November 30. December 31. This is how you remember number of days in each month. So now we saw in each month how many days you have. So totally here how many days are there? 30 plus 38 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 30. It goes on adding. So I'll give you the total number. In 1 year you will have 365 days. Or you have 366 days. Every time you will have 365 days. 4 years once you will have 366 days. So this is number of days in 1 year. So if you are clear with this, we'll go for the exercise, children. I want all of you to open a textbook, page number 118. Now all of you open the page number 118 exercise. We will start writing the answers. I'll write the answers on the board. I want you to copy the answers, children. So let's start. First name. There are dash months in a year. There are 12 months. There are dash days in 1 year. It is 365 days. 4 year once what you have? 366 days. Third one. There are how many weeks in a year? So to say week. So this is 1 week, no? Sunday to Saturday you have 1 week. Like that, this is how many weeks are there? So if we count, we will have 52 weeks in 1 year. So what about in 1 month? In 1 month, how many weeks you will have? So see here children, in 1 month, first week, second week, third week, fourth week. So almost you will have 4 or 5 sometimes in 1 month. Okay. So let's go for the next question. There are dash days in a leap year. So leap year means when February is having 29 days, no children. This year, which year February will have 29 days, that year is called leap year. In leap year, because February is having 29 days, in that year you have 366 days. I told you it was 365 or 366. When you have 366, that year is called leap year. The first month of the year is, which is the first month of the year? January. 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 The last month of the year. Which is the last month of the year? December. 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 February has dash days in the leap year. Just now I told you. In leap year, February will have 29 days. 29 days. All leap years are divided by dash. So, next one, it is 8. Leap year, when you will get leap year? 4 years once you will get leap year. So, all leap years are divided by 4 you should write. 4. 8 questions. 9th one, the year 2012 was leap year. The next leap year would be, so in 2012 it was leap year. After 4 years you should have a leap year. So let's count. After 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. So in 2006 you will have a leap year. So count children, is this 2020 leap year or not? Previous you had 2020, 2020. So 2016 is a leap year. 17, 18, 19, 20. So 2020 was also a leap year. On 2020 year, February had 29 days. Next 10th one. June is the dash month of the year. Which month is June? January, February, March, April, May, June. June is the 6th month of the year. 6th month of the year. Let's go for the next page. Here, you should write the months having 31 days. Here, months having 30 days. We counted now children which month is having 30 and 31 days. We will be writing that here. Okay. So, we will write the second name. January is having 31 days. Next, March is having 31 days. May, July, August, October and December. These are the months having 31 days. Third name, write months having 30 days. You should write only the names of the months which has 30 days. That is April, June, September, February. February is special. It has only 28 or 29 days. So that is the answer of the fourth May. Write the name of the month having 28 or 29 days. It is February. Answer is for fourth May. Answer is February. 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 Complete the table with the correct month. So in fifth one, you have a circle here and they have written the months in that. First they have written January here. Next they have left free. Next they have written March. Next is not written, not written, not written, and then you have written July. I am going to complete it here. Others you should complete. Okay. So next after January I have February, March, April. Next is May. Next is June. So I have written till here. Other blanks I want you to fill it out, children. After July, August, September, October, November, December. By this we complete this lesson. I will check your textbooks in the interactive session, children. I want everyone to complete your textbook. Okay. So meet you in the interactive session. Ta-ta, bye-bye, and thank you.